On the Invoice Index screen, click the New button to create a new invoice. In the Details column, fill in the fields such as the invoice date, payment terms, and due date. From the Customer dropdown, search for and select the customer. You can also create a new customer here by entering the name and clicking the Add option. In the New Customer pop-up, complete the form and click the Save button. In the Items section, search for and select the products or services you want to include. Adjust the quantity. Apply a discount by selecting either a percentage or a fixed amount from the drop-down. Click Apply Tax if needed. Specify the warehouse location from which the item will be taken. If needed, click the Remove button to delete the item from the current invoice. Use the Drag to Reorder button to change the order of items. Click the Add Item button to add a new item. You can also create a new product on the fly by entering its name and clicking the Add option. In the New Item pop-up, complete the form and click the Save button. In the total summary, select the tax rate for the invoice. Add any relevant customer notes or internal back-office notes. Finally, click the Save Draft button.